So this is Lexus ES350. We are changing the front brake pad. As you can see, you have to loosen the two 14 bolts holding the caliper to the hanger. You can lose the two and take them off, or you can lose one side then and slide the caliper up. So then you will get access to the brake pad. Then you can remove the brake pad gently. Then you're about to remove the other one gently. Then you get your parts from your dealer, your new brake pad, and be able to replace it. It's very simple. This is what you can do for yourself at home if you have the right tools. So now you fit in the new brake pad properly and gently, so you will not get injured. You're fixing the brake pad, and remember the two bolts holding the caliper to the hanger is 14 bolts, so you can use 14 flats or 14 ring to get it loosed. So, and also when you are changing your brake pad, you have to make sure you cross check the caliper guide pin. There's this two pin that helps the caliper to slide freely, so you have to make sure you cross check it each time you are changing your brake pad. It's very, very important and necessary you check it. It is by the side where the bolt, the 14 bolt is being tied. Look at it there, down there. So you check it, try look at it. This one is very strong, very, very strong. So it gets stuck in there. So you have to pull it out, then and grease it, then put it back. I will be making a video on how to do that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.